Unlock your inner artist and transform your ideas into breathtaking digital masterpieces with Leonardo Ai. Welcome to the future of creation. In this video, we'll guide you through crafting truly amazing and unique art on Leonardo Ai, no matter your experience level. Our journey begins with mastering the art of the prompt. Think of your prompt as your artistic instruction manual. Be descriptive, be specific, and don't be afraid to get imaginative instead of simply a cat. Try a majestic Siamese cat with sapphire eyes, perched regally on a velvet cushion in an opulent Victorian study, dappled sunlight filtering through stained glass windows. Next, we explore Leonardo Ai's incredible style. Presets. These are your shortcuts to diverse artistic universes, experimenting with styles like fantasy art, cinematic, or even pixel art. Gamer can drastically alter the mood and aesthetic of your piece, leading to unexpected and delightful results. Don't overlook the advanced tools. Negative prompts are crucial for refining your output. A circumflex euros. Tell Leonardo what you don't want to see, adjusting parameters like aspect ratio, and the number of images generated allows for more control and variety in your creative process. Now, let's talk about taking your AI art to the next level with post-processing. While Leonardo Ai is powerful, a little touch-up can make a world of difference. Consider using external editing tools to enhance colors, adjust contrast, or even composite different generated elements for a truly unique, multi-layered artwork. From abstract dreamscapes to hyper-realistic portraits, the possibilities are limitless. So dive in, experiment fearlessly, and start creating your very own AI art today. Happy creating!